Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with IndyWX.com, 7:15 on Thursday morning, and we have a severe weather risk coming up here later on tonight into early Friday morning. The Storm Prediction Center highlights all of the state with a slight risk of severe weather and includes far western portions of the state for an enhanced risk. Now, all of that said, it's a very low confidence forecast this morning looking at the data, forecast model data right now. Certainly not in any sort of agreement. And it's going to be kind of one of these nowcast type scenarios as we progress through the afternoon and on into the evening hours. We'll take a look first at the HRRR, and let me back this up really fast for you guys. I apologize. I thought I had it loaded how I wanted to present it initially. Put this into motion. We're dry most of today. Once we get rid of this fog, it'll be a nice day. I think hot and humid though, but we will see some sunshine. Forecast model is really beginning to struggle, though, with the way they handled the evolution of the initial wave of showers and embedded thunderstorms. The HRRR suggests that we're looking at showers into central Indiana between 5 and 7 o'clock. And if that's the case, you have to wonder if that puts a bit of a lid on the potential of severe weather later on tonight. Now, the high-resolution NAM is in a bit of, kind of sings a different tune, if you will. This is valid at 8 o'clock, and you realize that we're dry here. Given this look, we notice a complex of thunderstorms beginning to dive off to the southeast and impact southern portions of the state around 11 o'clock. Totally different look from the HRRR, and then the NAM also brings in a secondary batch of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. These would probably be non-severe. Given this overall look before we dry things out Friday morning. So you get the idea, guys, right now all of the short-term high-resolution data is in total disagreement, makes for a frustrating forecast. We'll just have to kind of fine-tune things and hope for better consensus as we go into the 12Z model suite. One thing for sure, though, once we get rid of the moisture today and Friday morning, we're looking at much drier air building in here, indicative here of the precipitable water values as we go into the weekend, and really that continues Sunday as well, and should set us up for a couple of nights, we think, in the upper 50s for overnight lows across central Indiana, potentially mid-50s for a few outlying areas as well, so very, very refreshing yet again. This is valid Sunday morning. With that drier air in place. I think the weekend is dry, lots of sunshine, low humidity, very, very pleasant. Afternoon highs in the low to mid 80s. That said, it's not going to last. We've got an active weather pattern as we've been discussing, and we'll just take a look here at the GFS, put it into motion. Again, we stay dry, we think, this weekend and into early next week. We circle the middle and latter parts of next week for the return of an active weather pattern, including numerous chances of showers and thunderstorms, some of which may contain locally heavy rain, and that continues into next weekend. And looking at the overall longer term, this is week 2 or days 8 through 14, you see the anomalous wet pattern across the Midwest, Great Lakes, and Ohio Valley. Guys, again, be sure to kind of just keep tuned and stay tuned, if you will, for additional details coming later this afternoon in regards for the severe weather potential tonight. In the meantime, make it a great Thursday. We'll talk with you soon on IndyWX.com.